So what's up everybody, and as promised, this is my 1 week review after using GoldSkull Pro Head Shaver. So going into this, I went into it with an open mind and I started using it right away. Now I did notice that it was much better than I remember electric head shavers. So I know there's a lot of different ways you can go about shaving your head with an electric shaver. Like, do you do circular motions, against the grain? I did what I typically do with an actual blade. I did a forward and backward motion. Now this gave me great results, and to be honest with you, of course it's not as good as using a razor blade, but let me tell you, it was pretty good. I was impressed. Changing these attachments was actually quite simple itself. You just pop them off, put them back on. Now, the only thing that was a bit cumbersome was when you need to actually clean the blades and you snap the heads off to be able to rinse them out. That was a little cumbersome to start, because I almost felt like I was about to break them, to be honest with you. Now, I did use the beard trimmer. Now, I wasn't expecting too much out of this, and the reason why is I have a very, very thick beard, and it's also on my neck as well. So the hair follicles are very thick and very tough. So it really wasn't keeping up, and I wasn't expecting it to, and it's no offense to GoldSkull or Pro or any company that makes these separate attachments. I have a hard time even with heavy duty trimmers that I have separately just to trim my beard. It's thick, so, but I can see where someone has maybe a thinner beard, it would be great. Also as a body trimmer. The nose hair trimmer, I don't know if any of you have ever used a nose hair trimmer before. You're gonna feel a pulling sensation, just like any of them, but the difference with this one is I almost smelled like this metallic smell inside my nose. It's interesting. The nice little trimmer, the straight trimmer, it worked well around the ears. It was pretty good. I definitely give props on the battery life on this. I use this thing every day for shaving my head for a week, and I didn't even use half of the battery. It was impressive. So a couple things that I did notice that when I was reading the manual that I like, when it's ready to be cleaned, there's an icon that'll pop up like a faucet. That's gonna tell you need to clean it out. I like that. So the face brushes, the circular, the silicone one in the brush, I have facial hair, so I wasn't really able to test that one out. But if you do, if you bought this and if you used it, leave a comment down below. I'm interested. So at the end of the day, for what you get in this kit, it is actually really good. The results that I got for shaving my head were great. Not the same as a razor blade, but it's not going to be. It's a different kind of shave. I understand that. I hope you do as well. But if you're interested in this, I do have a link down in the description for their website, so you guys can check them out on your own. So they are based in the UK, so if you're here in the United States, it may take a little longer to get to you compared to what you're used to getting, but I got mine in a timely manner when I found out that they were sending me this. I did get it pretty promptly. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. I enjoyed using this product, and I enjoyed stepping out of my comfort zone to do it. So guys, if you liked it, you watched this far, please like the video, share it, appreciate it, subscribe. Love you guys. Until the next time.